My name is Andi Bühler. This is the DrumCode Rudiments, the Flam Tap. So actually the Flam Tap is, we're playing double strokes, like right, right, left, left. And we put a little flam with the other hand before the first hit. Going to show you this. I do the flam on the tom. So right, right, and before is the left hand. Other hand. Then bring the flam closer to the main stroke so it actually sounds like a flam. And then skip the break between the double strokes. So that is the Flam Tap as a rudiment. Now we want to do something with it. We are playing it not even, not like taka, 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 flam tap, flam tap, flam tap, flam tap. We're playing it shuffled. So we stretch a bit the two strokes of the double stroke. So it's flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, da, ga, da, ga, da, ga, da, ga. Without the flam, only the double strokes, stretched to a shuffle. With the flam. There's a little swing pattern going on if you take a look at each stick. Turn off the snare for a bit. Now we're combining black and white spots. So this is the white spot, Flam Tap. So actually it's two strokes in one spot. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shuffled 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, so the black spot, we're playing triplets as single strokes. So if we only have black spots, it's Panama, 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 Panama. Single strokes. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. combining the black and the white. So it's black, white, Panama Flam Tap. Black, white, white, white. So, and the good thing about this combination is on every position you have the same hand starting. So on the one is always the right hand. Doesn't matter if you play a triplet or a flam tap. The right hand starts on one. On two it's the left hand. On three right, four left. So it's right, left, right, left. Only triplets. Right, left, right, left. Only flam taps. Right, left, right, left. Black, white, black, white. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. All right. So, important thing is with the flam taps to play it smooth and loose. That's what I want to say. Play it loose. And if you play it loose, you don't have to think about the sticking too much because it comes naturally to you. I'm playing for you the first 6 lines of the 16 combinations. And I'm adding a hi-hat to give it more of a swingy feel on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, putting on the snares. 1, 2, 3, 4. With a groove in between. So same thing with the 3-spot section. All right, there you have only 3 spots. So now the sticking changes every bar. So first bar starts with right on the first position, left second position, right third position, and then the opposite way if you do the whole thing again. Next bar starts with left, then right, then left. Let's hear the first 4 lines of the 8 combinations. I'm adding a waltz pattern with the hi-hat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Panama flam, 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 Panama flam, tap, Panama flam, tap, flam, tap. And so on. Take your time with that. It really loosens up your hands. So in the end, just try to do a little improvisation with the new stuff. Stay loose so you don't have to think about the stickings too much. All right. So have fun with it and see you soon. Bye.